Hi, good afternoon. Guess what we are going to do today? The little loader guessed wrong. The excavator guessed right. Today, we're going to play basketball. Look, here comes the basketball. The red basketball is for the little loader. The blue basketball is for the excavator. Next, we are going to start an exciting basketball game. Little loader, shoot your red basketball into the basketball hoop. Boom! Wow, you hit it on the first try. It's your turn now, excavator. Excavator, shoot your blue basketball into the basketball hoop. Boom! Wow, you hit it on the first try too. Next up is the second round. Little loader, keep it up. Boom! Wow, you hit it again. It's your turn again, excavator. Throw the blue basketball into the basketball hoop. Boom! Wow, you hit it again too. Next up is the third round, which is the final round. Little loader, keep it up. Boom! Wow, you scored again. It's your turn again, excavator. Throw the blue basketball into the basketball hoop. Boom! Wow, you scored again too. They both scored 3 out of 3 shots. It's a tie. You are both basketball masters. High five. They are so happy. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.